Hi, everyone. In this tips and tricks video, we are going to talk about global process templates. Global process templates allow you to standardize the initial creation of processes and SOPs to reduce errors and minimize the overhead of process creation. They allow you to create a list of standardized steps for the initial onboarding of clients and devices into Hoodoo. So here I am in a company and we have all of our active processes laid out. Instead of creating them from scratch, each time I need to complete a specific SOP, I can use global process templates to standardize my checklists across all companies. By navigating to admin and then to process templates, here I can see and create all templates across my Hoodoo instance. Now, clicking into new computer burn-in, I can make changes to the global template as needed. I can also mark it as a onboarding process, but more on this in a future week. Now, let's say we have a ticket come in from a company that this process applies to. We can then navigate to our processes section in that company. And here we can start this process, creating it from the template that we have as a global process template. If we need to make any minor changes, we can easily do so. But if everything looks good, then we can convert the process to a template for this specific company. Jumping back in, we now see we have our template created. Now let's go create the new desktop that this is going to be used for and start the process directly on that asset. Here we'll go in and we're just going to type in example for this instance. We'll go ahead and create the asset. And here now we can attach a process to track the completion of the associated tasks. Here I can hit add process. And because we have this template for this company, we can go ahead and start the process based off that template. We will now be able to track this process directly in the asset and ensure that our SOPs are standardized and completed based on the template that we created. Jumping into the asset here, I can go into example, and here we have our process along with all of its tasks. And as we check them off, those tasks will be completed.